Whooping cough, otherwise known as pertussis, is generally a fairly mild disease amongst adults, causing an upper respiratory infection, sometimes with a following cough. But unfortunately, for newborn infants, it can be deadly. Therefore, it's important for people who are going to be around newborn infants to protect that infant by getting pertussis vaccination. This generally comes in the form of what we call Tdap, tetanus, diphtheria, and pertussis. Now, we offer this vaccine to children at age 2, 4, 6, and 15 to 18 months, and then again when they're 4 to 6 years old and when they're 11 to 12 years old. As adults, we generally get a booster vaccine every 10 years. We also offer this vaccination to pregnant women in their third trimester so that they develop immunity and pass it on to their newborn infant. If you're a grandparent and you're going to be around a newborn infant, it's important that your Tdap vaccine is up to date.